Aeration reduction adjustment. Depending on the type of water processing that the water goes through before the white box, the water can become aerated. To prevent air from coming out of solution from the water and causing wrong ppm readings, there are three adjustments that can be made to increase the back pressure on the sample line. The first step with dealing with aeration in the sample line is checking the O-rings in the measuring cell cap. All three O-rings in the measuring cell cap will have low flow going through the measuring cell but higher pressure so that the air does not come out of solution. After checking the O-rings on the cell cap, the back pressure can also be regulated using the needle valve at the end of the sample line. A more coarse adjustment to the back pressure in the sample line can be done using the back pressure regulator, while you can fine-tune it using the needle valve.